Hello friends, hello Bing and Rolly, and we're coming to visit you, to do puzzles with you. Let's go, and I think so we need level hard. Okay. Let's go. I think so. We need 4 corners. Yes? 1, 2, 3, and 4. And let's go. Corners number 1. Where is your place, corners? Maybe this? No, it's not right. Okay. Where is number 2? This. No? Oh. Okay. This? Not? It's not right? Okay. And oh, we have orange number 4. Oh yeah, it's right. Cool. Oh yeah. Okay, corners number 2. I think so. These corners for this place. Oh yes, look, that's right. Cool. I like it. Wow. Okay. Corners number 3. Oh yes, corners number 3. Where is your place, corners? Maybe this? No, it's not right. Or this? Yes, it's cool. It's red. Woohoo! Oh, corners number 4. And only one place for you. Yes, it's right. Thank you, friends. We did it. Now we have 4 corners. Woohoo! And now we need 4 line. And we need all peach puzzles with one side line. Simple. It is simple. Yes, one side, one line. This not line. Only this. Not yes, not yes, no, yes, not yes, not yes, not. Ta-da! And okay, this. We need peach puzzles with line this. Maybe this? Not. It's not right. This line we need this line. Yes, I see. Whoa, I think so. This peach puzzle, this, only this, or this, or this, or this, or this. Maybe this. No, it's not right. Okay, or this. Yes, cool. Right, it's right. And will peach. Oh yeah, it's very good. Yes, it's right. I know. Yes. Okay. Peach puzzle is like this. I know. These peach puzzles, this or this. Okay. Maybe this? Not? It's not right? Okay. This. Yes! Oh! It is cool. It is right. It is okay. And oh, friends, look. I see line this, and I see line this, and I think so. These peach puzzles, this. Yes! Woohoo! It is right. Cool. I like it. Okay, this. This is blue color, but don't sky. not sky, yes? These peach puzzles, this and this. These peach puzzles, this or this? Or this? And I think so, maybe this? Not, it's not right. This? Yes! Oh, yes! And these peach puzzles, I think so, this. Yes! Woohoo! And well, peach puzzles, these. Ta-da! Yes, yes! Cool, I like it. And now we need peach puzzles with color violet blue in the sky. And I think I see 1 peach puzzles, 2 and 3. Okay, this peach puzzles. Where is your place? Maybe this? Oh, yes, it's right. Cool. And these peach puzzles. These are this. Maybe this? Not, it's not right. This. Yes, cool, friends. It is cool and right and amazing. And well, peach puzzle this. Yes, yes. And now. Okay, look, we did it. Now we have all peach puzzles with line. Woohoo! Yes, cool, friends. Nice. And we need now all peach puzzles in the center. 6 peach puzzles. Okay, I think so. These peach puzzles with a blue but not sky, and I think so we need this. Yes, look, it's right. Cool. I like it. Look, it is jacket or color with color red color, and I see well one peach puzzles with red. You see? Yes, I think so. It is right. Yes, look, it's right. Cool. Woohoo! And oh yeah. And you see, this is color blue, and this need color blue for this. I don't know. This is aggregate. I don't know, but need blue color. Yes, it's right. Look, cool. I like it. Woo! And only 3 peach puzzles and all. And I think so. This need hat. Bingo. Bingo. Yes! Oh, cool! It's right! And 2 peach puzzles. These peach puzzles. Maybe this? Not. It's not right. And these peach puzzles. This. Yes! And guys, the end.
We're trying to get to Santa's workshop. Know where it is?
Yes, say no more, say no more. I believe it's somewhere over there.
Wow. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Thank you, Bing and Rolly. It is very, very interesting. Oh, thanks. Please, friends, like this video and subscribe. And see you soon. Bye-bye.